The number 8 northeast gale or storm signal is now in force. Meanwhile, the black rainstorm warning signal, special announcement on flooding in the northern New Territories, landslip warning and thunderstorm warning are also in force. Let's take a look at the latest about Typhoon Koinu. At 6 a.m., Typhoon Koinu was centered about 110 kilometers southwest of Hong Kong. It is forecast to move west or west-southwest at about 10 kilometers per hour, crossing the western coast of Guangdong. In the past few hours, Koinu trekked westward steadily and started to depart from the Pearl River estuary. However, intense rain bands associated with Koinu continued to affect the region. From the radar imagery, we can see that in the past few hours, rain bands have been continuously sweeping from east to west across Hong Kong, leading to sustained heavy rain. Occasional gale force winds are still affecting some parts of the territory. With Koinu departing, local winds will weaken gradually. The observatory will issue the strong wind signal number 3 at 11:40 a.m. Locally, since midnight, more than 100 millimeters of rainfall were recorded over most parts of the territory, and rainfall even exceeded 200 millimeters over the urban areas Chun at the northern part of Lantau Island. Locally today, there will be heavy squally showers and thunderstorms. Please continue to take precautions against high winds and flooding, and beware of landslip dangers. As seas are still very rough and there are swells, please stay away from the shoreline and low-lying areas. Don't engage in water sport activities.